Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Radio Rocks Official. In this video we are going to show you how you can download YouTube videos to your iOS device's camera roll in either MP3 or MP4 format. Such a video we had uploaded quite earlier, but that method is now not yet applicable, or we can say that it does not work now. So this method which I am going to show you is applicable for 2020 to 2021 for at least. Now, last but not the least, please subscribe to our channel, and we really hope that you all are doing good and are safe and sound during this coronavirus pandemic. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to have an active Wi-Fi connection. So you must be having it. So then you require two main apps. First of all, it's YouTube and then it's Documents. So you can see it on the screen and they both are available on the App Store. So let me just prove it to you. YouTube, you all must be aware. I don't need to show you. But in Documents, you must not be knowing about it. So you can see its icon is somewhat like this, and if you search Documents, you'll find it. Documents by Riadel. So I'll update it soon. Now before proceeding further, if you are an Android user by any chance, there's no worries. We had uploaded a similar video on the same topic for Android devices also 1 year ago or so. So its link is there in the description below. You can just check it out. So you need to open the YouTube app. Then we'll first deal with the YouTube app and then with the Documents app. So first of all, for YouTube app, you need to search the video which you want to download. Say for example, I'll take a very old example like Avengers Endgame trailer. Simple. So such example we had taken it earlier also. So you can see Marvel Studios Avengers Endgame official trailer. You need to click on these three dots and then click on share. Then you need to click on copy link. So the link of the video is copied and your work with the YouTube app is done. Now we need to proceed towards the Documents. So we'll now deal with the Documents app, and as I just said earlier right now. So we'll just open the Documents app and you can see save from net. This link is there in the description below, but just do not click on the link and open it on Safari or any browser. You need to copy the link and then paste it in the Documents app browser. Now how to paste it, I'll just show you. So after you open the Documents app, you will be directed towards My File. Then from there you need to click on browser and you will direct it and then paste the link over here. Okay, now if you paste the link over here, you will be directed over here, somewhat like over this page. So as guided over here, you need to paste the link of the video in this search box. So just paste it and then click on download. It may take some time. Now as you can see, 2 minutes 26 seconds. It's simple. So MP4 and MP3. Okay, so here there's no option of MP3, but if you search YouTube to MP3, there would be a number of sites and you can follow the similar procedure. So then click on download. So just rename it XYZ, anyway, anything, doesn't matter. So it has been downloaded and then click on search and it will direct it to my files downloads. So now let me show you the final climax of this video. So you need to click on these. So we'll just open it. I'm sorry, actually I got disconnected. So anyways, so we'll just open this thing, but you can see that it has been downloaded. I won't show it, else there would be cases of copyright anyways. So I'll just click on these three dots and then I won't click on delete, move, copy or something like that. I'll just click on share. There's an option of share, so you can just click on it. So then there would be an option of save video. It's simple. You can just save this video. So just click on save video. Documents would like to add to your photos. Okay. So just wait for a minute, not even a minute actually. It depends on the size of on the time limit, time of your video, total time of the video. So I guess it must have been downloaded. So let's go and check it out. So friends, I guess that the download must have been completed by now at least. So I'll just open camera and then I'll click on all photos. Actually this was the screen recording, but never mind. So as you can see, this video has been downloaded completely. It was for about, I guess, 2 minutes 26 seconds, and it has been downloaded. So as you can see, the video has been downloaded successfully. So that's all for today, friends. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and please like this video. And also please share this video if you find it useful. So that's all for today. With